This is the mathematics for class 8th, and we have studied till now till the exercise 2.3. These questions we have been done first, second, third, fourth, and the next part was the square root of the decimal. So here is the rule to find the square root of a decimal number by the division method. Earlier we have found the square root of the number from the division method, and the numbers were the integer like this. But here the number would be in the format of 6.4, like 3.24. Whatever number would be, it would be in the form of a decimal number. In decimal numbers, if I talk about this number, then there is two parts. The first part is the right side of the decimal, and the second part is left side of decimal. This part is known as integral part, and this part is known as decimal part. So throughout our discussion, we will, if I will talk about this part, then I will pronunciate or call it integral part, and if I will talk about this part, then I will call it the decimal part. So you have to make understanding from this. ठीक है, अगर ये नंबर है 3.24, तो डेसिमल के बाद का जो पार्ट होगा, मतलब राइट साइड में, यानी कि 3.24, इसको बोलेंगे डेसिमल पार्ट, और डेसिमल के जो लेफ़्ट साइड में पार्ट होगा उसको बोलेंगे इंटीग्रल पार्ट. ठीक है, इतना क्लियर है. अब रूल्स देखते हैं कि आप कैसे इसको स्क्वायर रूट इसका फाइंड करोगे अगर इस तरह के नंबर दिए होंगे. तो हाउ वी विल फाइंड द नंबर्स बाय द डिवीजन मेथड. द रूल इज़ enlisted here and in your book on page number 21 at the bottom of the page, you can see and note it down. Just after the exercise 2.3, you have to note it down the rules of the square root of decimal, and these 5 rules you have to note it down. What these rules are actually, I will explain you and show you after solving the questions. The first one is place bars on integral part of the decimal in the usual manner. Previously we have found the square root by placing the bar. Like if we have to find the square root of 2304, then first what we have done, we have to place the bar on each pair from the राइट साइड. मीन्स इस साइड से, राइट साइड से जो भी नंबर्स आते हैं, तो एक पेयर पे हम एक बार लगाते हैं. तो एक पेयर पे एक बार, एक पेयर पे एक बार. ठीक है. कंसिडर दिस इज अ डेसिमल नंबर. द डेसिमल नंबर वुड बी 23.04. ओके. द सेकेंड इट सेज place bar on the decimal part on every pair of the digits. Place bar on the integral part of a decimal in the usual manner. Place bar on the decimal part on every pair of the digits starting from the first decimal place. ठीक है, तो ये दोनों आपका हो गया. डेसिमल पार्ट पे भी पेयरिंग हो गई और इंटीग्रल पार्ट पे हो गई. स्टार्ट फाइंडिंग द स्क्वायर रूट बाय द डिवीजन मेथड एज यूजुअल. व्हाट वुड बी द फर्स्ट स्टेप टू फाइंड the square root by division method? First we will think about the numbers which square is just below the 23. So square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 6, square of 4 is 16, square of 5 is 25. So 25 is greater number, so we cannot divide 23 by 5. जो 25 है वो 23 से ज़्यादा है, यानी कि 5 से हम 23 को डिवाइड नहीं करेंगे. तो इसके जस्ट इससे जो जस्ट छोटा नंबर है, जस्ट स्मॉलर नंबर इज़ 4. सो वी विल डिवाइड इट फ्रॉम द 4. तो 4 4 जा 16. द यूजुअल प्रोसीजर वी विल फॉलो. 23 minus 16 would be 9, and this pair we will insert here as usual. Again, the next divisor would be the double of this quotient. डबल ऑफ ये जो कोशेंट है इसका जो डबल होगा वो क्या होगा, नेक्स्ट डिवीज़र हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा, 4 2 जा 8 हो जाएगा. ठीक है, उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, उसके बाद हम फिर देखेंगे कि कैसे ये what would be the next number, so the 904 would be completely divisible. What is the next rule? Place decimal point in the quotient as soon as the integral is over. So integral part 23 minus 16 integral part is over, and after decimal the 04 value is inserted here. So when the decimal value will be inserted here, then just after the quotient we put the decimal. Okay, stop. And the next rule is stop when the remainder becomes 0. The quotient at this stage is square root. फिर हम क्या करेंगे कि अपना जो भी प्रोसेस उसको फॉलो करते जाएंगे, और जब रिमाइंडर 0 हो जाएगा, when the remainder becomes 0, then the quotient, whatever quotient we will obtain here, that would be the square root. Okay, so if we proceed further, just look here, the unit place is 4. So if the unit place is 4, then definitely the unit digit would be the either 2, because square of 2 is 4, or either 8, because square of 8 is 64. So unit place would be the 4. So here the digit either would be the 82 or 88. 82 2 ja 2 2 ja 4, 164. 8 8 ja 64. Now we further move and let's see the example. In finding the square root of 256, the integral part is 2, the decimal part is 56. So we have proceeded in such a manner. For example, if I tell you how to find the root, then just concentrate here. We randomly take a digit like 4.41. We have to find a square root by division method. So 4 is the integral part, 0.4 is decimal part. Now we have to write it like in such a manner, 4.41. फ्रॉम द राइट वी हैव टू पुट द बार, राइट साइड से हम बार प्लेस करते हैं हर पेयर पे, और यहाँ पे एक सिंगल नंबर है तो इस पर भी बार प्लेस करते हैं. we will divide it from the 4 because that would be the perfectly divisible. So 2 to the 4, here the remainder would be the 0. The 41 would be the here. Now here the digit comes would be the multiple of just double of the 2. So double of 2 would be the 4. Now what would be the number? So the 41 will be completely divisible, the number would be the 1. So 41 or 41 1 ja 1, remainder is 0. Now here when the 41 inserted here, then after 2 we will place decimal in the quotient. So the square root of 4.41 would be the 2.1. This would be the answer. See the next example. Just take a random digit. 30.25. Okay, 30.25. So we have to find the square root of 30.25. So proceed as usually. You go with, write the number 30.25, put bar on each pair, find the least possible take divisor which is just lower to the 30, which square is the just lower to the 30. So 5 5 is 25. 30 minus 25 equal to 5. Now put decimal here and write down the 25 as usual. Here the number would be the double of 5. Double of the 5 would be the 10. As the last digit is 5, so here the value come will be the 105, and 105 5 ja 525. So we will get remainder 0. So under root of 3.25 would be 5.5. See a question. Let us consider a number which is not a perfect square. Means its square root would not be the integer. So not perfect square number is 8.29. Just consider a random number 8.29, and just we have to look how we can find the square root by the division method. Okay, so this number is not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square, and its root we have to found from the division method. डिवीज़न मेथड के थ्रू हमको इसका रूट फाइंड करना है. ठीक है, तो चलो देखते हैं. तो राइट इन सिमिलर वे 8.29. Put a bar on each pair. The number just below 8, which is the perfect square, that number would be 2, because square of 3 is 9, which is greater than 8. So 2 2 ja 4. 8 minus 4 would be the 4, and 2 9 will be as it is here. Here the number comes will be the just double of the 2. So here the number would be the 4. Now put decimal here as the integral part has been proceeded. So further procedure would be on the decimal part, so that here in the quotient we will put the decimal. Okay, now uh, we have to divide this. So 429, we have to think about what number will come here, so that 429 would be the completely divisible. So just take a random number. 47 into 7 would be the 7 7 ja 49, and 7 4 ja 32. 48 8 ja 8 8 ja 64. 384. 49 into 9, 9 9 ja 9 9 ja 81. 441. So 441 is just greater than 429, so we will consider the 48. So here we will write 8, and the quotient would be the 8. So 8 8 ja, we will put the value here. 9 minus 4 5, 12 4, and 0. So 45 is remainder. We have to find the square root up to a 2 digit or 3 digit decimal place. As there is a remainder, so it is not the perfect square. So to proceed further, we have to add 0 here in a pair. Okay, so write it down, the paired 0 here, and the next divisor would be the just double of 28. 28 to the 56. 56 would be here. Now we have to find the number just smaller to 4500, or the number which can completely divide 4500. So now we have to think. Just consider 565 into 5 equal to 5 5 is 25, 5 is 30 plus 2 32, 5 5 is 25, 2865. Okay, 566 into 6, 6 is 30, 6 is 36, 6 is 36 plus 3 39, 6 5 is 30, 33, 3396. 567 into 7, 7 7 ja 9, 7 7 ja 49 का 4 is there, and carry 4. 7 7 ja 7 6 ja 42 plus 4 46, 4 carry. 7 5 ja 35, 30, 3969 is there. Okay, five six eight into 8, 8 8 ja 4, 5 6 8 into 8, 4 5 4 4, 4544. That is just greater than the 4500, so that we will not consider this, and we will consider this. So 567, and in 7 times the number would be 3969. The remainder would be 1 3, 14 minus 9 is 5, and this is the 0. Okay, so we got 2.87, and it would be the further expandable to certain place, but it is a kind of non terminating, still it appears kind of non terminating decimal. So if we have to found up to the 2 place of the decimal, then the answer would be the 2.87. okay, so the square root of the 8.29 would be the 2.87. क्लियर? ठीक है, इसको एक बार मैं आपको हिंदी में बता देता हूँ. ठीक है, नंबर जो मेरा है 8.29 है और इसका डेसिमल हमको फाइंड करना है डिवीज़न मेथड से. ठीक है, तो आप ये क्या करो कि 8.29 एज इट इज़ लिखो. ईच पेयर ऑफ नंबर पे आप बार प्लेस करो. ठीक है, एंड यू हैव टू डिवाइड 8 फ्रॉम द नंबर जस्ट बिलो 8 एंड दैट वुड बी द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. सो ओनली नंबर इज़ 2, तो आप 2 से डिवाइड कर दोगे 8 को. 2 से जब 8 को आप डिवाइड करोगे तो 2 टाइम्स में जाएगा 4. द रिमाइंडर वुड बी 4 एंड दिस पार्ट वुड बी हियर एज यूजुअली. जब यहाँ पे अपने 2 एंटर कर दिया, 2 जब आपका यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में आपको आंसर मिल गया, देन आफ्टर द फर्दर नंबर यू हैव टू प्रोसीड इज 29 एंड जस्ट बिफोर 29 देयर इज अ डेसिमल. सो जस्ट आफ्टर 2 इन क्वेश्चन, जो ये क्वेश्चन है, इसके जस्ट बाद आपको एक डेसिमल यहाँ पे प्लेस कर देना है. हियर द नंबर वुड बी द जस्ट डबल ऑफ 2. सो 2 2 जा 4 एंड नाउ वी हैव टू डिवाइड फर्दर. व्हाट वुड बी नंबर हियर? सो हम ऐसे पहले की तरह प्रोसीड करेंगे. जस्ट टेक अ रैंडम डिजिट. वी हैव अर्लियर सॉल्व, सो यहाँ पे हम पहले देख लेते हैं. तो 48 से हमने डिवाइड किया था, तो 48 और 8 जा वैल्यू क्या आई थी 384. तो 384 हियर. नाउ 9 - 4 इज़ 5, 12 - 8 इज़ 4 एंड हियर वुड बी द 0. अगर हमको फर्दर प्रोसीड करना है, ठीक है, डेसिमल के और भी प्लेस तक हमको वैल्यू निकालनी है, तो यहाँ पे हम पेयर ऑफ 0 इंसर्ट करेंगे एंड दैट वुड बी इंसर्टेड हियर एज यूजुअली. नाउ फर्दर वी हैव टू डिवाइड. हियर द नंबर वुड बी द 2 times of 28, to number will be 56. Now the next divisor would be the 5 6 7. Earlier we have solved like this. Then in 7 times 3 9 6 9, that is not okay, and the remainder is 1. 9 - 6 is 3 and 14 - 9 is 5. So that would be the remainder, and under root of 8.29 would be the 2.87 up to 2 place of the decimal. So this will be the answer. In similar way, we have to find the square root of the number which we have seen the perfect square, square root and non-perfect square root from the division method. तो जो भी नंबर हैं अगर वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है उनका अगर हमको डिवीज़न मेथड से स्क्वायर रूट निकालना है वो भी हमने देख लिया, और जो नॉन परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है उनका स्क्वायर रूट अगर हमको निकालना है तो वो भी हमने डिवीज़न मेथड से देख लिया. थ्रू आउट योर एक्सरसाइज आपको इसी तरह से इसको फॉलो करना है. ठीक है, तो एक्सरसाइज पे आओ आप. तो देखो ये 8.2 का मैंने 29 का मैंने आपको करा दिया है यहाँ पे. ठीक है, अब 80.41 का देखना है. यहाँ पे दिस इज़ द ओनली डिफ़िकल्ट पार्ट. दिस नंबर आर ओनली द डिफ़िकल्ट पार्ट. ओके, तो आपको मैं कुछ बता देता हूँ, उसके बाद आप खुद से करोगे. यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट in the rough copy. Then after, if you are able to solve, then write it down in your fair copy, or if you are not able to write it down the fair copy then correctly, then if there is a doubt you cannot do, then when I will come to school then I will help you to note it down. okay, तो मैं आपको थोड़ा सा और एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. ये 8.41 के लिए 80.41 के लिए और इसके लिए सर्टेन कुछ जो इजी क्वेश्चन है, कुछ क्वेश्चंस जो आप कर लोगे वो आपको अपनी नोटबुक में कर लेना है, ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 यू हैव टू कंप्लीट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 1 2nd 3rd. This is the kind of little bit difficult, but if you will follow the procedure, then this will not be any difficult for you. ओके, ये आप क्वेश्चन कर लोगे। आप सिंपल ये अंडर रूट है, इसको आप ये ऐसे लिख सकते हो, अंडर रूट 9 एंड अंडर रूट 16। तो आप इसको फर्दर सॉल्व कर लोगे 3/4। तो इसकी वैल्यू, और डेसिमल में इसकी वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, 3/4 की वैल्यू डेसिमल में होती है 0.75, ठीक है। ये इसका आंसर हो जाएगा। तो इस तरह से आपको ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है। फाइंड द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ फॉलोइंग नंबर यूजिंग लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड। लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड इज द डिवीजन मेथड वी हैव स्टडीड इन 2.3 एक्सरसाइज 2.3। तो वो चीज़ हमको यहाँ पे फॉलो करनी है, ठीक है। ये भी आप करोगे, ठीक है। अब जो आपके कुछ डिफ़िकल्ट क्वेश्चन है, ये 8.41 और ये वाले 610, ये मैं आपको अभी कराता हूँ और आप देखो, ठीक है। तो द नेक्स्ट नंबर विच स्क्वायर रूट वी हैव टू फाइंड इज 80.41. So we have to find, let's draw like this, write the numbers 8.41, pair it, divide from the number which square is just smaller to 80. So the number can be 9 or not. 9 square is 81, it is not. 8 square is 64, okay. So we have to divide 80 from the 8, and in what time, in 8 time. So number we will get 8 8 ja 64, and the remainder would be 16. The 41 would be here as it is, but from here the decimal number starts, so that in quotient we will place the decimal. Now here the number will come just 2 times of 8, so number would be 16. Then we have to find what would be the number here. So just to start, take a, यहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा assumption लेना पड़ेगा. Here we have to take a kind of assumption. So just start from the 166 and multiply from 6 6 ja 36, 6 6 ja 36 plus 3 39, 6 1 ja 6 plus 3 is 996. Okay, so it is a smaller than 1641. Go for the next number 167. 7 7 ja 49, 7 6 ja 42 plus 4 is 46, 7 1 ja 7 or 7 4 11 6 9. Now go for the 9 9 ja 81, 9 6 ja 54 plus 8 is 62, and 9 1 ja 9 or plus 6 is 15 to 1. So I think this would be the perfect number from which we have to divide. Okay, so here we will take 9 and the quotient will be 9, and the number from which we divide is 169 9 ja 1521. The remainder would be 120, and further, if after 8.9 further decimal values we want in the square root, so we have to make a pair of zeros here. We have to insert pair of zeros here, and that zeros would be here, because when we enter zeros here, when we put zeros here in a pair, then there would not be any effect on the value of the 80.41, so we can insert here. So the next number we got is 12,000. ओके, इसको हम थोड़ा साइड कर लेते हैं, ठीक है. Then after, here the number comes would be the 2 times of 89. To 2 times of 89 would be what? 2 9 ja 18, carry 1, 2 8 16, 178. So here number would be the 178. We have to think about the number which comes at this place would be what. So we have to try here. We have to hit and try. Okay. So 178 into 178. Just consider number. Just start from 178 5 1785 into 5 would be what? 5 5 ja 25, carry 2, 5 8 ja 40, 5 7 ja 35 plus 4 39, 5 1 ja 5, 8 9 2 5. So it is kind of a smaller. Go for the 178 6 into 6, 6 is 36, 6 51, carry 5, 6 7 ja 42 or plus 5 is 47, 6 1 ja 6, 10716. So I think that would be the number, that would be the perfect, and so the number would be the 1786 in the sixth time. So we will get 10716. What would be the remainder? 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 7 is 2, and here we will place 0 here. Okay. So 284 would be the remainder. Here 1, no, 1 minus 0 is 1. 1284 would be the remainder. We have to, if further we have to find like up to decimal 3 place, up to decimal 4 place, then we will further make a pair of zeros here. We will insert zeros here, and further the divisor first digit would be the multiplication of 896 into 2, and here we have to find from the hit and trial the approximation we have I told you, so that further you can proceed here. So up to 2 place of the decimal is 8.96. Okay, so that would be the answer. What is the next question? The next question is 610.09. Okay, so the next number is 610.09. Proceed in similar way in which I have told you. 610.09. Pair it down, pair it. Divide from the number which square is just below 6. So only number is 2, 2 2 is 4. The remainder would be 2. Write it down, 210. Here the number comes would be the 2 times of 2, 4. And from what number it would be completely divided? So from the hit and trial, 5 5 ja 25, 5 4 ja 20. So 225 is just greater than 210. So the number would be the 4. So 44 4 ja 4, 1 4 4 ja 16, 4 4 ja 16 176. ठीक है. So the remainder would be okay. Now put decimal here, because from here the decimal parts part started, and now proceed further. The divisor would be the double of 24. 24 2 ja 48, and for the further number we have to go with the hit and trial. Okay, so 4 8 5 into 5, 5 5 ja 25, 5 8 ja 40 plus 2 42, 5 4 ja. So 2425 is much smaller than 3409. So that we have to try for 487 into 7. 7 7 ja 49, 9 4 carry, 7 8 ja 56, 4 0 6 carry, 3 4 0. Exactly divisible. We got the exact division. So the number given 610.09 is perfect square. So here further we divide and get the remainder 0. So the 610.09 is a kind of perfect square, and the perfect square value is 247. So that would be the answer. Okay, so in such a way you will go to solve the question. You will try to solve the question, and if you face any difficulty we will discuss in the classroom. But for the time we have to try from yourself. See the video as many times as possible until you did not get the complete understanding. Okay, so I wind up this session. Thank you.